Hello dear students, today we shall learn how to transform a shape through rotation in coordinate plane. Rotation is a transformation where a figure turns around a point called center of rotation. It can rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. So PQRS has been turned to P dash Q dash R dash and S dash as an image counterclockwise. Now questions arises, describe the rotation that takes shape A onto shape B. So A takes the shape B, we check what is the center of rotation for it. So the rotation is anti-clockwise about 1 and -1. Now we know how it is 1 and -1. So here if you look here, 1 is on x-axis and -1 is on y-axis. So it is 1 and -1. Now we know we make this point. This is, for example, A, B, and C. We know this becomes B. This one is B dash. First of all, we take one dot and this one we make that the angle. This line B is making 90-degree angle here with this B dash, okay, at the center of point 1 and -1. So this is counterclockwise. It has moved counterclockwise. So we can say that this one is the anti-clockwise, or we can say counterclockwise 90-degree about 1 and -1. We can also find these rotations with the help of some rules. These are the rules. So type of rotation. So we say that this 90-degree clockwise and 270-degree counterclockwise is the same. So both of them are y and -x. Means we are going to put the coordinate of y up to the place of x, and x will be rotated and f will be displaced to the position of y while changing their sign. For example, if x and y both are 1 and 2, y is 2 and x is 1, then it will become 2 and -1. See, 1 has come up to the y's place with the negative sign, and 2 has come up to the x place without changing a sign. So if it, for example, if it is -1 and -2, so what will happen? It will be -2 on the place of y, on the place of x, and this -1 will be multiplied with negative and we get here 1. So this is the way how we change the coordinates of the shape. So rotation of 90-degree counterclockwise is the same as the rotation of 270-degree clockwise. So both of them are same. You see, x, y are turned into -y and x. Here as well, x, y turn into -y and x. One very interesting thing is, like rotation of 180-degree, either it is clockwise or counterclockwise, there's no change. Always we change x, y to -x and -y. Means whatever the coordinates you have on the place of x, y, we convert it by multiplying negative sign, and we convert into the image -x and -y. How we do it? For example, if it is -1 and 2, x and y. So what will happen? It will be 1 and -2. Or if it is 1 and 2, then it will be turned into -1 and -2. Whatever the sign here of the original shape coordinate, it will be opposite to the sign, but the same place and the same number. So we shall apply these coordinates changing to find the rotation. Now look here. We have two images. We need to find what is the rotation? Describe the rotation of pre-image to the image at center origin. This is the origin, right? So we shall apply all these laws on the rotation of the diagrams or on the shapes where when the center is origin only. So look here, what is the coordinate of K? K coordinates are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6. This is negative 6 and 1, 2, 3. Y is 3. L is having negative 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Positive 4. And H are negative 1 and 1. Now look here, what is H dash? H dash is negative 1 and negative 1. Now look here, L dash are negative 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4, and down here, negative 2. Okay. K we got negative 1, 2, 3, negative 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6. Now we place the values here. This comes negative 1 and this is 1. It has come up to H dash is now negative 1 and negative 1. Now look at L dash. L is negative 2 and this is 4, whereas L dash is negative 4 and negative 2. K is negative 6 and 3, where K dash is negative 3 and negative 6. See what happened? Rule is now, we got that whatever was on the place of Y, we have shifted to the X place and has multiplied with negative sign. So negative plus positive 1 has become negative 1 and this one, negative 1 has shifted to Y's place without changing the sign. Same as with L. 4 is positive, it has come up to the X coordinate with negative sign and negative 2 only shifted to the right side on the Y's place. So we got the rule X, Y turn to negative Y and X. Now we look at our rules, that which rule is going to change X, Y to negative Y and X. So it is 90-degree counterclockwise or 270-degree clockwise. We need to memorize some few rules, only 3 rules, and we can rotate any of the shape along origin. Now look here. Again, we look here. What is H? H is negative 1 and 1. Negative 1 and 1. And H dash are 1 and negative 1. Correct? Now here look H, L. L is 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4. Negative 2 and 4. Okay. Now if you look here, L here, it has become 2 and negative 4. Now K. K is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6 and 1, 2, 3. 3. Here it became negative 6 becomes 6 and 3 is negative 3 now, because you see y-axis down here, negative 3. Okay, so now what is the rule? You have all multiplied, all the values of x and y have been multiplied with negative sign and the image has been transformed and rotated along 180-degree counterclockwise or clockwise both. Okay. Now look what happened to it. Now again we check which are H. H coordinates are again 1 and negative 1 and 1. And H dash is 1 and 1. Now here L. L is again 1, 2, negative 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here L became 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it became 2. Here K is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is -6 and Y is 3. So here it has become K is 3 and then y-axis is 6 only. So what happened here, you can check with any one of the point that 4 has transferred to the x place without changing sign. So it means here it has become y and -2 has been multiplied and approached to the y place. So it has become negative x. So what is the rule? This rule is showing this is y and negative x is 270-degree counterclockwise and 90-degree clockwise. Now look at the rule. Here you see L, K, L and H are equal to K dash, L dash and H dash. This shows that the points are the same. So these all points are same means xy has been remained as xy. So this one is 360-degree. We can say that this is 360-degree rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Now look this one. Find the coordinates of the image of triangle ABC for the given rotation about the origin. Now 90-degree counterclockwise. We can say 90-degree counterclockwise x and y will turn into -y and x, right? Same thing will happen with 270-degree clockwise, okay? X and y will turn into -y and x. So first we make only one image and we can write that the both of these are the same, A and G. So let's try with A and G. First of all, we know A is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 and -2. So A is -4 and -2. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7 and 2. And C is -8 and -1. If we want to turn this shape up to 90-degree counterclockwise, so we shall turn all these y and x's according to our rule. So A dash will become -2 will be multiplied with positive negative and it becomes +2, and -4 will replace the y coordinate, so it is -4. Okay, and then here B dash will be -2 and -7, and C dash will be -1. One will multiply with negative sign and it will be 1, and here it will be -8. So let's see how A dash, B dash and C dash have been made. So 2 and -4. A dash is 2, 1, 2. Okay, and -4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this has become A dash. B dash, -2 and -7. B dash is -2, 1, 2, and -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is B dash. Now look here, C dash, negative, now 1 and -8. 1 and -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is here C dash. So we join these points, right? So it is A dash, B dash, and C dash rotated up to 90-degree counterclockwise and 270-degree clockwise. from origin, and we can check as well. From origin, if we make the angle of A and A dash, if we make an angle of A and A dash, these are making 90-degree counterclockwise, right? So it will be here like that. So this one is counterclockwise. We can say this way. This one is 90-degree counterclockwise. Hope you understood it. And you can apply the same on the other values. Like we can start also 180-degree we can make for. 180 degrees, all x and y will convert into negative x and negative y. So if we want to make another shape, then we shall find A dash, B dash, C dash. While making -4 will +4 and +2. Then here B dash is 7 and -2. Okay. And A dash is 8 and 1. C dash is 8 and 1. So A dash we may draw now 4 and 2. So it is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. This one is A dash now. What is B dash? 7 and -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and -2. This one is B dash. And C dash is 8 and 1. So now here 8, okay, and 1. This one is C dash. Now join these points. So this one is making 180-degree angle either counterclockwise or clockwise. Okay, so both are same. Now next we make, this is also done, A and G are also done. Now we make for 90-degree clockwise, okay, and 270-degree counterclockwise. Here we have the rule now, we shall write. The rule for these two are x and y will convert into y and negative x. Okay, both of them are here. X and y will convert into y and negative x. So C and E will be making the shape here, y and negative x. So y will be same as it is, -2, and x will be multiplied with negative and it become 4. Okay. Now B, -7 and 2, it will be converted into 2 and 7, because -7 multiplied with negative sign becomes +7. So here it became -1 and 8. So now we are going to plot these points, -2 and 4. So x is -2, 1, 2, negative, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is A dash now. Okay. Now 2 and 7. From here to 1, 2 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this one is B dash. Okay, and C dash is -1 and 8. So -1 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now we have this shape and we draw them and find that whether we have the angle of A dash, okay, and A having which kind of. So if this one is counterclockwise 90 or clockwise 270-degree. Got it? So this is the way how we plot and rotate the figures up to 90-degree, 270-degree, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and 180 as well. Okay. So we drew all of them. 360 we don't have to draw. The 360 will be the same as the original figure. I hope you understood well how we rotate the points. One more, we can do a practice. Describe the rotation that takes each shape to its image. So we understand how these are the rotations. Rotation of a figure up to its image, that one is this is the point, rotation of 90-degree clockwise. So this, if we take this point, which is in the middle, that one is having -3 and 3. Okay. So if we look at this one is made 90-degree, okay, clockwise. So this one is clockwise 90-degree rotation. Then we look at B, rotation 90-degree clockwise about 1 and 4, B part. B part is 1 and 4. So here 1, and this is the point from where this point, these 2 points are making 90-degree angle, but that one is clockwise. How clockwise? See this one. From here you look at this 90-degree clockwise, or if you make that anti-clockwise, then it will be 270-degree counter-clockwise, okay, and 90-degree clockwise. Here it is 90 degrees. A to its image is 90-degree clockwise. But if you look at from the opposite reflex angle, this becomes 270-degree counter-clockwise. Now look here, C part, rotation 90-degree anti-clockwise about 3 and -3. So 90-degree, this one, 3 and -3. Now C is here. C is here, we know 90-degree, 3 and -3. This is the point. This point is 3 and -3. From here you can see this is the rotation of one point to the other. For example, this C, this one is, for example, if I say that this point is C and its opposite one to the reflection is, this is C dash and this is C. So here C to C dash is also having at this point 90-degree, okay, 90-degree. It's counterclockwise. From here you see counter, you look here, this is the point from where, which is 3 and -3. Okay. From here, this point, if for example, if I say this is the C point of original and this is C dash of this figure, which is image. So this image and the original ones, C and C dash, are having 90-degree, okay, counter clockwise. It's moving up because origin is moving up now. So this is 90-degree counterclockwise or 270-degree clockwise. Same way if you take the rotation of 180s. So you know if it is reflected, right, rotated, if you take this one twice up, so it will be, this is the point in between which is making it 180-degree rotation. So here -3 and this answer is -3 and -3 both. So this one is the point of reflection. From here, for example, this is A and this is A dash. So these two are making 180-degree either clockwise or anti-clockwise or clockwise. Same. So hope you understood now. So if you like the video, kindly press like button and share it with your friends. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed the channel yet. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Good day. Bye.